This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Hurry on this 4-bedroom, 2-bath light fixer. Perfect easy opportunity for Peron to replace flooring and paint and make this shine. Roof was replaced in last 4/5 of a year's home, has nice kitchen, open floor plan. Huge yard that is perfect for garden beds, fruit trees, play areas, etc. LG play structure and above ground pool. Little TLC will make this home and property sparkle. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray at 503-680-1221.